In the world of fast food, fried chicken certainly has its place. As one of the most popular fried chicken brands in the world, Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC, with its unique, crispy taste and rich spice flavors, it has won the hearts of countless consumers. However, have you ever considered behind this golden and alluring fried chicken? What production secrets are hidden? Today, we will unveil together. The production process of KFC fried chicken. KFC is one of the largest fast food chains in the world. It has opened approximately 27,000 restaurants in 145 global countries. Revenue up to $23 billion. This multitude of achievements originated from a man named Harlan Sanders. He is better known as Colonel Sanders. In the 1930s, he's at a little roadside stand in Kentucky. Launched for the first time with 11 unique fragrances. Blended fried chicken. That wonderful smell, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, captured the hearts of customers. Sanders' fried chicken is approaching 1935. Awarded the honorable title of Colonel of Kentucky in recognition of his contributions to the local food culture. In 1940, he further improved the secret recipe, invented a method of frying using a pressure cooker. This allows the mussels to cook faster. At the same time, it ensures the deliciousness of the meat. And the crust is crispy. It is with this secret recipe, fried chicken has gradually become a popular food and easy to store. The production process of KFC chicken, in fact, as early as any employee, starts quietly before it touches meat. First step, it is a strictly selected cooperative supplier and chicken farm. Chicken sauce. Growing up in accordance with strict animal welfare, chicken farms without upgraded environmental standards. The beginning of raising depends on chickens and roosters called parent chickens. These chickens are specially reared, specialized in the production of fertilized eggs. The eggs laid during this period will be collected regularly and screening to remove defective eggs. In the next part, high-quality eggs will be sent to incubators. The temperature is maintained at about 37 degrees Celsius. With fine control of humidity and ventilation. Flipping regularly to simulate the natural behavior of hens. The incubation process lasts up to 21 days. In the first 18 days, but in an incubator, the embryo gradually matures. In the last 3 days, but was transferred to a jade chest. The chick breaks out of its shell here. Healthy chicks go through an initial health screening. Those who are eligible will be vaccinated separately, then safely transported to the broiler farm, also known as a broiler fattening plant. Here, the chicks will arrive in 40 to 50 days. Grow to the ideal slaughter weight. Fast breeding cycle. Due to different varieties and market demand, the farm will strictly monitor the room temperature, humidity, ventilation, and lighting. To ensure a good growth environment for chicks, strive to relieve their stress. The density of animals in the site will be controlled according to regulations. To avoid crowds, reduce the risk of disease, guarantee their freedom of movement. The feed for chicken juice is prepared by professional poultry nutritionists, mainly including corn, soy vitamins, and minerals. It is important that no hormones are used during breeding. In multiple countries, including Brazil and the United States, prohibition of the use of hormonal mechanisms in broiler production in 4 different stages of growth. Nutrients will also be blended accordingly to meet the needs of healthy growth. Professional veterinarian and animal science experts. The health of the flock is constantly tracked. Implement vaccination procedures only when it is absolutely necessary. To use medicine and under veterinary supervision, there is a prohibition period before slaughter. Make sure the machine is free of drugs only before slaughter. To prevent antibiotics from remaining in the meat. Through regular audits, KFC secures its cooperative chicken farms. Follow proper feeding practices to ensure the health of consumers and the quality of meat. When the chicken grows to about 3 kilograms, they are transported to the slaughterhouse. There is corresponding ventilation in the transportation temperature vehicle control to equipment. Ensure the comfort of animals during transportation. Reduce pressure during slaughter. After the machine arrives, we'll first undergo a visual inspection by a veterinarian to confirm their health status. Before slaughter, it goes through anesthesia. This is required by law in many countries to reduce their pain. The most common method of anesthesia is the motor. The machine will be in the process of passing through loss of consciousness. Then the machine is slaughtered and will be soaked in hot water to remove feathers. After the feathers are removed, the machine will pass through the high-speed rotating rubber drum. For further processing, the internal organs are then removed by an automated system. After completing this series of steps, the machine will be rapidly cooled to lower its internal temperature. Prevent the growth of bacteria. After the machine support is cleaned, a detailed inspection will be conducted by a technician to observe for potential diseases or contamination. Qualified batches will be sent to the cutting area. where the various parts of the muscle, like brisket, the leg muscles, legs, and wings will be cut separately. This cutting process will follow the size required by the chain, weight, and shape. And during the cutting process, workers will place each chicken on a cone rack for easy cutting with both hands. The cutting operation seems simple, but it actually requires professional training to ensure the accuracy of each cut. Cutting knives are kept clean and sharp. The incision at the joint requires a complete severing to ensure separation of components. The initial cut will remove the wings, legs, and chicken thighs, then brisket. Each cutting block is subject to quality control. Make sure its size, absence of meat proportions, and defects. Qualified parts will be vacuum packed or frozen for easy transportation. Some KFC stores receive fresh muscle, while others depend on the logistic situation of the region. Receive chilled or frozen meat in the store. Muscles before any preparation will be strictly inspected to ensure there are no defects in good condition. Meets KFC's stringent quality standards. Fruit flour batter made of milk powder, flour, dehydrated eggs, and salt mixed. The secret recipe was provided by Colonel Sanders. Contains 11 herbs and spices, although no one knows the specific content of the whole process. After mixing, workers mix all the ingredients by hand 20 times. Mix it further. Selected chicken nuggets will enter the water and be shaken 7 times. Then quickly enter the mixture of fruit powders. Also shake 7 times. After going through this series of chicken nuggets will be placed in a metal rail and shaken. To remove excess batter, the operation also needs to be shaken 7 times. Number of steps per step. Ensure the stability and standard of KFC fried chicken quality. Ready chicken. The juice can now be placed on the metal rack, waiting to fry. Since 1940, KFC's frying method is always consistent. Colonel Sanders made his first attempt at pressure frying. Raised the bar for fried chicken, now in the KFC store. A pressure fryer is specially designed for it. Start official operation. This frying technique, not only does it preserve the delicious juices, it also allows for faster and more uniform cooking. The fried chicken skin golden and crispy. The inside is soft and juicy. Chicken juice is fried in vegetable oil at 180 degrees Celsius. Minutes. After frying, the chicken juice was set aside. Allow it to drip naturally to remove excess oil. After a short period of rest, so as to stabilize the crispness until the sale, fried chicken sauce can be kept warm in a constant temperature insulation cabinet, usually set above 60 degrees Celsius. Make sure it doesn't grow bacteria. The finished chicken juice will be presented directly to the customer or in a classic chicken bucket. Typify customers with always fresh and hot dishes. KFC barrels are usually made of high-strength paper. Special coating inside to resist grease and heat. Each batch of machines can be stored up to a maximum in the insulation cabinet. It depends on the product and store. Exceeding the stipulated time for even the ones that are still warm will be discarded to ensure that customers receive always fresh and delicious, good taste and quality standards. The video ends here. Friends, don't forget to like, follow, and forward. Let more people know about this exciting content. See you in the next video.